Want to restrict your iPhone screen to a single app? Watch this. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down a little and click on Accessibility. Again, scroll down and look for the Guided Access option. After that, turn on the toggle next to the option. In the warning pop-up, tap on Continue. Now, open the app that you want to lock. Next, press the power button 3 times in quick successions. This will activate the Guided Access menu. Now, at the top right corner, tap on Start. It will prompt you to set a passcode. Set it based on your preference and confirm the same. The screen will be locked to that single app. You can't go to the previous page or the home page. Even if you press the side button, the device still shows that one app. To unlock this, simply click the power button 3 times again. Enter your passcode. Then, click on End at the top left corner. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more iPhone tips.